Alright, guys, first off, you guys know that I'm not a financial advisor, okay? We're going to look at two drug companies, okay? Two that have been trending, two that have been getting a lot of attention, one of which has had a very nice run-up, one of which kind of stagnant, but I want to show you something. Alright, so, this is Sorrento Therapeutics. Notice their market cap, okay? This, there's a lot of shares out. I'm not going to sit here. I'm not going to deny that, okay? Let's look at fundamentals. Enterprise value. I'm going to keep this short, sweet, and to the point, too. I'm going to try to be as simple as I can. So in 2021, they're showing $1.72 billion as an enterprise value. They're expected to bring in $136.55 million this year. Okay. Here's their... Actually, you know what? Let's share their holders, because you guys really might like this. And their analysts. Their target price on Ortex is $20. That's a return of 663%. And keep in mind that they are consistently bringing it down. I wonder why they're bringing it down. Maybe they're throwing on shorts. Who knows? I couldn't tell you. Look at the holders, though. State Street, BlackRock, Vanguard. So what I like to call is the big three, right? To the top three on this one. Now, we could keep going down the list. Hold on a second. My fingers might get tired. Hold on a minute. State Board of Wisconsin. You guys know how I feel about when states get involved or teachers get involved. It gets pretty big. Wells Fargo, Susquehanna, New York, Wisconsin, Jane Street, Raymond James, JP Morgan, MetLife, T. Rowe, Tower, Invesco, Voya, Swiss Partners twice actually. Florida. So that's a few states. Guys, Arizona. Let's keep on rolling. Come on, how many we got? It's comical. Credit Suisse. Alright, we're done. We're done on institutional ownership. Right there. Okay, but that's a lot. That's a lot of institutional ownership, okay? Now, in my opinion, I don't think that this would be a short play. It wouldn't be like a short squeeze play, right? But boy, could I be wrong. Look at the short interest on that. 15.79%. Utilization, 50. Okay. Now let's check out their pipeline. Okay. You guys are going to like this. Alright, so antigen test. Okay, so it works in Europe, Brazil, Mexico, and that's the emergency use. In the U.S., we have, they submitted an application for U.S. and Canada. Okay. Now, you're going to see preclinical, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and FDA approval. So we're waiting for FDA approval here. Okay, look what it serves. Please look to the left. Pivotal trial in Brazil. Look at all of these different drugs that they have rolling. Phase 3. Now look at this. In partnership with China on one of them. Now remember, the big three are in this. They're the biggest holders, and they're working with China. Something's weird there. Okay? Just throwing that out there. This one is waiting on a partnership with Korea. Okay? Look at all of these different drugs and look what they do. Alright, now, I'm sure I do not have to explain who the Mayo Clinic is, but look at these three drugs. Oh, sorry guys. So, look at these three drugs here. Bang, bang, bang. They're working on it in partnership with the Mayo Clinic. If you are looking at FDA plays and you don't know who the Mayo Clinic is, I suggest that you look up what the Mayo Clinic is before you do anything else. Okay. They're one of the largest. I wouldn't even call them a business. I'd say that, honestly, they're one of the larger pharmaceutical companies out there. That's it. We can leave it there. All right, so FDA approved 2 drugs right there. Okay. Bang. Now look at this. Back pain, fibromyalgia, more cancer stuff. Alright, and now finally to the bottom of the list. Melanoma, autoimmune stuff, in partnership with the Mayo Clinic on the melanoma thing. Alright. That's something that's more of a fundamental type of play in my eyes. Again, not financial advice. Now we will look at GOVX, which has been getting a ton of attention. Lower market cap. Okay, extremely low market cap. Lower float. Analysts, let's see where they're at. They're at a 201% return potential, approximately. Now, notice how they're saying buy. Usually, I like to do the opposite of what people tell me to do. But that's for you to decide. Here are the holders. So, you have Vanguard here. Okay, but look at the small percentage that they own compared to what they owned in SRNE. Also, Fur2, State Street, okay, smaller percentage again. Citadel, BlackRock. So you got the big 3, but they don't have much ownership, and BlackRock is selling it. Why the hell would BlackRock sell? Tower, they're known for shorting. Citi, Morgan, they're in it. Wells Fargo, known for shorting. Just throwing that out there. Notice how there's no state funds in this one. Okay? There's no state funds, nothing like that. Alright. Now, this is the exciting part, but please don't let it overshadow the fundamental side of things. Because let's look at the fundamentals. Enterprise value, as of last year, under $15 million. They only made last year. Now, keep in mind that we have to account for inflation as well, which is a ridiculously high number. They only made $385.5 thousand compared to, let's just look at theirs, what they brought last year. I mean, they made $52.9 million, and they're projected to more than double that this year. Okay, so just throwing that out there. All right, so wait, that's the wrong button. So shorts. Now this is the exciting part on GovX. I'm glad to be clear. Okay. Look how much short interest they have. However, look at the utilization. Okay. So that's the exciting part. It could become a short squeeze very, very easily. We could be in the midst of a short squeeze. I'm just going to take all this data away. Look at this, though. Okay, so you guys see this gap? Statistically, what happens, guys? Now, this could be a great momentum play, but statistically, what happens? Statistically, gaps get filled. Okay. Seeing that is a little bit scary for me. I could have bought in GovX when it was like around here. Like, it was like on its lows. It was notified to me like about it. So now I'd feel like I was chasing. I'm not going to take a position in it, but I'm adding to my SRNE position personally. Not financial advice in any way, shape, or form, but I like to be the play. I do not like to chase the play, and that's just my motto. But hey, whatever makes the P&L percentage, the greenest. Anyways, I do need subs. I would be greatly appreciative if you would sub, if you would like, if you would share this, anything to help, because these algos, they're pretty stacked against the little guy. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and best of luck, whether or not, you know, you go into this one or that one or whatever the hell you go into. But here are two options that a lot of people are looking at. I'll catch you on next stream.